Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix a broken shield in Arc Raiders using a simple method from the lobby. To repair your shield, the first thing you need to do is make sure you are in the lobby. This process cannot normally be done during gameplay unless you have a special perk that allows it. So always start from the lobby screen. Once you are in the lobby, open your inventory. This is where all your gear and items are stored. Now, scroll through your inventory and find the shield you want to repair. For example, let's say you want to repair a light shield. Hover over the shield. If you are on PC, simply right-click on the shield. This will open a small menu with different options. From this menu, select the repair option. After that, you will see the materials required to fix your shield. For example, a light shield may need 4 plastic parts. Make sure you have these materials available. If you do not have enough resources, you can track them. This helps you find the needed materials more easily during your next runs. Once you have everything ready, select Repair. Your shield will instantly be restored to full durability, back to 100 out of 100. And that is all you need to do to fix a broken shield in Arc Raiders. Thanks for watching.